looking for that yellow skin tone, that yellow purple skin tone, that yellow CC skin, guys, let's get back to my workstation and make this yellow purple lotion. Remember to subscribe. Also turn on notification bell. Please like, share, and comment. Please don't use it once and accept it like it will give you that yellow. No, use it continuously to get the tone that you wish for. Let's get back to my workstation. Let's start to make our lotion, but before that, make sure that your bowl, your equipment are well cleaned and sanitized, the same thing as your environment. And this is my base, Doeuf egg yolk lotion is my base. We are going to use 2 of it, 2 bottles of my Doeuf egg yolk lotion. Guys, please, 2 bottles of it to get that yellow purple skin tone. I'm using 2 of it. I'll also use my cream activator to activate the effectiveness of the Doeuf lotion to make it more strong. Okay, yes. Right now I'm going to scoop the 2 into my container. I'm scooping it out, the lotion out into the container. I'm done with the one and I'm adding the other one. So right now I'm done with the 2. Yes, we are done with the 2. This is the 2. Right now we are going to mix it for a while before adding the rest of the ingredients. After mixing it for a while, I'm going to add in my cream activator or cream booster to boost the effectiveness of this lotion. My cream activator or cream booster is 250 ml. This cream activator, it is very active and strong. Yes, it will give you 3 shades lighter. So I add to this one to give me more of the activeness and also effectiveness. Okay, so guys, I will mix it thoroughly for it to be mixed very well properly. So guys, yes, I gave this lotion to a client and he requests for another one, so I see it like opportunity for me to show it to my subscribers and my viewers. So guys, yes, my first serum will be my Gluta-C instant concentrate. Yes, this one is a concentrate. I will shake the bottle before adding it to my lotion. I'm going to add in 1/4 bottle of it. 1/4 bottle of it. This serum will give you that yellow tone. Okay, yeah, it is very good for yellow tone. I'm also going to add in my Gluta plus Kojic super forte concentrate. Please, Gluta plus Kojic super forte concentrate. This one is also a concentrate and I'll be adding in 1/4 bottle. I will show the ingredients at the end of this video. Please, all the ingredients will be listed at the end of the video, so watch the video till the end. Please guys, watch the video till the end. All the ingredients will be listed at the end of this video. I'm adding 1/4 bottle of my Gluta plus Kojic. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, also like my video. I'm also going to add in my Perfect Skin Repair and Whitenizer. This serum is very good for repairing and also whitening your skin, and it contains argan oil plus vitamin B3, which is niacinamide. So I love it. I'm going to add in half of it, half bottle of this serum, half bottle of this serum. I added in half of it. My next serum will be my Glutathione Comprime Super Forte Serum. Yes, this one will give you that milky effect. Okay, so I'm going to add in half of it too. I'm also going to add in my glutathione comprime super force serum. I'm adding half of my bottle. My next ingredient will be my zero spot serum. I'm adding 2 bottles of it. Yes, guys, this one will clear all the blemishes. It will clear all the dark spots, that's hyperpigmentation, or skin problems. It will clear it. I'm adding 2 bottles of it. The zero spot serum is very thick, so I've added in, and I'm going to stir it for a while before I can add the rest of the ingredients. My first oil will be my cream activator oil. The yellow serum on the cream is our glutathione, the remaining part of it. Yes, so this is our activator oil. It was 60 ml and I take in 30 ml. I added in 30 ml. I'm now going to add in my bare eclat kenako for green veins, blue veins, and also it glows the skin. So I'm going to add in 1 full bottle of my bare eclat kenako, 1 full bottle of it. I'm also going to add in my nano half cast whitening serum. Please, we have a lot of fake out there, so I'm going to also add in 1.5 of it, 1 full bottle plus half bottle of it. So this is the first one. I'm going to add to it the whole bottle of it. Then the other one, I'm going to add in the half of it, half, making it 1.5 bottle. I will be adding in my whitening glycerin. You can add in any glycerin of your choice, but make it a whitening one, okay? I'll add in half of it, please, half bottle of my whitening glycerin. I will list all the ingredients at the end of this video. My next ingredient will be my lactic acid for exfoliating, mild one, okay? So I'll be adding in 3 tablespoons of my lactic acid, 3 tablespoons, which is 45 ml. It's 3 tablespoons, please, 3 tablespoons. Then I'll add in my propylene glycol for all the product to be penetrating into the skin very well. Then my Shinic Perfect Leg. My Shinic Perfect Leg is also for green veins, blue veins, stretch marks. It's very good for all the skin problems. Then I'll add in my Larissa Stretch Marks oil or serum. I don't know, Larissa Stretch Marks serum. I'll add that one to it. This one will clear stretch marks. Half bottle of it, half bottle of it. Also my argan oil. Yes, argan oil is very good because it will prevent stretch marks. So I'll add in half of my argan oil, which is 15 ml, half of it. If you have bio oil, rescue oil, recovery oil, you can add, but I'm adding in oil plus oil, okay? Then my crude kenako will be added. My crude kenako is also for green veins, blue veins. It will stop it. So I'm adding in 1 full bottle, which is 30 ml, 30 ml of it. The Perfect Leg, I added in 3 tablespoons. Also the oil plus, I added in 3 tablespoons. Argan oil, I added in half of it. So guys, take note. Then I will stir it for it to be mixed very well. I'm also going to add in my ampoules. Yes, my stretch mask ampoules. I'll add in 5 of it. 5 of it. Then I will stir it properly. This was the rest of the ingredients I added to it, and I'll mix it properly. We are done with the lotion, and you can bottle it up. It is going to give you that yellow, nourishing, sweet skin. Yes, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Also turn on notification bell. Please like, share, and comment. I really love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye bye.